Good evening. Today we are going to see the exercise 2 of Castigliano's theorem, that is first theorem, which is related with slope and deflection. We have first problem: find deflection at center of the beam loaded and supported as shown in figure. So we have given this beam, so 2 meter, 2 meter, so we have 50 kilonewton, and we have to find deflection at center. So as at center we do not have any variable load, so we, as per Castigliano's first theorem, we have to apply then dummy load here, which will be P, and then we are going to get total load will be 50 plus P. And then if we will, as it is at center, so we are reactions. So we have this reaction 25 plus P by 2. And we have this reaction same as it is at center. So we have reaction same 25 plus P by 2. Now we know Castigliano's first theorem we have dabba U by dabba P, and that is equal to delta. And therefore we have applied a load at center, and therefore we will get dabba u by dabba p, that will be equal to delta c. Now dabba u by dabba p, we are going to be integration 0 to L m into dabba m by dabba p dx upon ei. And by using this equation, we are going to calculate deflection at center. Now we are going to be two regions. One region we have A to C, and second region we have B to C. So now we will go directly. So you can prepare the table and you can solve it. So we will go with that table. So we have serial number, then we have region, then we have origin, then we have limit, then EI, then M, and then dabba M by dabba P. So likewise we have to go with, so we will go serial number 1. Region we have A to C, origin we have A, limit we have 0 to 2, EI we have EI, and if we will take anywhere X in this region, then we are going to get this M, that is equal to 25 plus P by 2 into X. And dabba m by dabba P, we will get it as X by 2. Then we will have second region, which will be BC. Origin we have B, same we have, only change we have, that is here we have to consider 2EI, other things we have as it is 25 plus P by 2 into X in, and that we will get it as X by 2. Now as P is dummy load, we are going to get this value as 0, and then we will put delta C is equal to, so we have first region 0 to 2, then M we have 25x into dabba M by dabba P we have X by 2 and into dx upon EI. So this is first region. So I can say this is region AC, plus we have second region BC, and that will be 0 to 2. So we have same term, only change we have, that is 2EI. So we have dx upon 2EI. And if we will solve this, then we are going to get value of delta C, that is equal to 50 upon EI. So we have this value. That is, if you will calculate it, then also you can get it. So this you will get it as 25 x cube divided by 3 into 2 plus 25 x cube divided by 3 into 4. And if we will put this, that is 0 to 2, then we will get it as 25 into 8 divided by 3 into 2 plus 25 into 8 divided by 3 into 4. So 4 twos are 8 and then 2 fours are 8. So we have 100 plus 50. So we have 150 upon 3. EI is there and we will get it as 50 upon EI. So likewise you can calculate this value. So deflection at center is 50 upon EI. Then second problem we have, find slope at free end C. So we are interested to find slope at C. Now whenever we have to find slope, we have to apply dummy moment. So as here we do not have any moment over here, so we will apply latest clockwise moment, which will be MC. And then now just I have we have seen in last problem, so we have theta at C is equal to integration m into dabba m by dabba mc into dx upon ei. And therefore we will go, we have again two region, one is C to B and another region is B to A. So we will write again same table. So we have, or we can directly go, I can show you that direct also. Theta C is equal to, we have integration 0 to 2.5, and then we can have this as x we are going to consider over here, and from this we will get it as minus mc. This will be value of m, and then dabba m by dabba mc, we will get it as minus 1 into dx upon ei. Plus we have again 0 to 2.5, origin we have b, and therefore we have x from here, so we have x from here, and then we can have mc will be as it is, so we have minus mc, and then we have due to this 20 minus 20x square by 2, and then we have dabba m by dabba mc again minus 1 dx upon ei. So I will write table below so that you will check it. You can direct go like this also. Serial number, we have region, origin. Now as we have ei constant, so we need not require to write ei over here. So limit ei you can write if you want. Then we have m, and then we have dabba m by dabba mc. And then we will write one by one. Serial number 1, region we have CB, origin we have C, limit is 0 to 2.5, M we have that is minus MC, and dabba M by dabba MC is minus 1. Then we have second region which will be BA, then origin we have B, limit again we have 0 to 2.5, then we have minus MC minus 20x square by 2. This will be moment. And then dabba m by dabba mc is minus 1. So same we have considered here. mc is dummy value. So it becomes 0. So this will go. And then we have this as 10 is equal to integration 0 to 2.5, and that is 10x square dx upon ei. And now if we will solve this, then we will get this value that is equal to 52.08 upon EI. And as we got this value positive, it shows our rotation is also positive. Because in last example, if we will see, as we have applied dummy load in downward direction, so 50 upon EI we got plus, means it is in the direction of load, that is 50 upon EI. So if value we will get plus, that is in the direction of load. And then we have third problem, and here EI value is given. So we can calculate value of EI. So here we will get value of EI, that is EI is equal to 2.1 into 10 raised to 5 into 3.7 into 10 raised to 8, and we have this value 7.77 into 10 raised to 13 Newton mm square, and that is equal to 7.77 into 10 raised to 4 kilonewton meter square. Now here find deflection at point C. So we have to apply dummy load over here. So we have this as P. So total load will be 20 plus P. Now first we have to find reactions. So I will take moment about A equal to 0, and from this we will get, that is 10 into 2.5 into 1.25 plus 20 plus P into 6 minus RD into 7, which is equal to 0. And from this we will get value of RD is equal to 21.61 plus 0.86 P. Now if we will apply summation Fy0 to here, then we will get RA minus 10 into 2.5 plus 20 plus P plus RD equal to 0. And from this we will get, therefore RA we will get equal to 23.39 plus 0.14 P. And now we have to prepare the table. So we have serial number, then we have region, then we have origin, limit. Yeah, we have same, so need not require to take it. M, and then we have dabba M by dabba MP, dabba P. So we have first region, that is AB, then we have origin is A, limit we have 0 to 2.5, M we have, RA we have 23.39 plus 0.14 P into X, and we will get dabba M by dabba P 0.14X. Then we have second region, that is DC. We are coming from right now. Origin is D. Then we have 0 to 1 first. RD we have 21.6 plus 0.86 P into X, we will get 0.86X. And then third region we have, that region is CB. You can go from any side. Origin is C. Limit we have 0 to 3.5, and then we will get it as 21.6 plus 0.86 P into X plus 1 minus 20 plus P into X. Now if we will see this, then we have 0.86 X plus 1 minus X, and that will gives us minus 0.14X plus 0.86. And then if we will take integration 0 to L m into dabba m by dabba p dx upon ei, then we are going to get these values equal to 0 to 2.5 into 23.39. So first we are taking this, And in this, we have this value of p0. So in all, we have to put p0. So we will have this as 23.39 into x into 0.14x. So 23.39 into x into 0.14x. So into 0.14x dx upon ei, then plus integration 0 to 1 21.67. uh, so second we have actually uh, sorry, in this we have committed one mistake. So here we have to take actually minus 10 x square by 2. So it comes because we are taking x here, so we have to consider moment of udl also, so that also we have to take. So we have this term is not there, then we have second term minus integration 5x square into 0.14x into dx upon ei, and this is also 0 to 2.5. And then we have plus third term, we have 0 to 1 21.67 into x into 0.86x dx upon ei. Then we have last term, that is between 0 to 3.5. So this is first is of reaction 21.67 into x plus 1 into minus 14x plus 0.86 into dx upon ei, and then we have that term of concentrated load which will be plus minus 0 to 3.5 20 into x into minus 14x plus 0.86 dx upon ei. And now if we will calculate these term one by one, we have first term 17.06 upon ei, then second term minus 6.84 upon ei, then we have third term plus 6.21 upon ei, then we have fourth term 117.43 upon ei, and we have last term minus 65.33 upon ei, and then we have this value as 68.53 upon ei. And if we will put a value of ei, then we will get, so this we can say delta at c is equal to, so delta at c is equal to 68.53 divided by 7.77 into 10 raised to 4, and we will get this value as 0.88 into 10 raised to minus 3 meters, which is equal to 0.88 millimeters. So likewise, we have to solve the problems related with Castigliano's first theorem. So if you like the video, like it and subscribe for Engineers Technical Hub SP. So today we will stop here only. Thank you.